AI is changing the job market faster than most people realize.
Every day, we hear another story about AI replacing human workers.
And that raises one uncomfortable question.
Could your job be next?
If you're worried about that, you're not alone.
But here's the good news. AI doesn't have to be the end of your career. In fact, AI can become your biggest advantage.
But in 2026, the rules are changing.
The workplace of the future will reward people who know how to work with AI.
So how do you make your career AI-proof?
The answer comes down to 5 powerful skills.
I just don't know how to handle it anymore. It's been so stressful. Skill number 1, human connection.
AI can process information, but it still struggles to truly understand human emotions.
Empathy is something people feel from other people.
It looks like everything is stable now.
Think about a doctor comforting a worried patient. Or a teacher who knows when a student needs encouragement.
We really need a system that can handle the traffic spikes.
The new quantum solution is designed exactly for that.
Or a salesperson who understands what a customer really needs.
AI can give answers. Humans build relationships.
And relationships create value that algorithms can't easily replace.
Skill number 2, critical thinking and problem solving. AI is excellent when the problem follows a pattern.
But real life doesn't always follow the pattern.
When something unexpected happens, humans still need to understand what is actually going on. That's why strong problem solvers remain valuable.
The goal isn't just finding an answer. It's knowing which answer actually makes sense.
And that becomes even more important when AI is involved. Because AI can be wrong.
You need the judgment to recognize when it is wrong.
Skill number 3, creativity and storytelling.
AI can generate thousands of ideas in seconds.
But creativity is more than generating something.
Great ideas come from experience, emotion, and perspective.
And storytelling turns an idea into something people remember.
That's why marketers who understand people will remain valuable.
The same is true for designers and content creators.
Let's refine the aerodynamics, make the body sleek, and add chrome detailing. The smartest creators won't fight AI.
They'll learn how to direct it.
Skill number 4 may be the most important of all.
Learn how to use AI.
Don't think of AI as your enemy.
Think of it as your assistant.
Whether it's writing, research, or brainstorming,
AI can help you create faster.
It can analyze data and automate repetitive work.
The biggest advantage is time.
The person who uses AI effectively can often do more in less time.
And that changes the competition. The future belongs to people who combine human skills with AI skills.
Skill number 5, physical and skilled hands.
Electricians still need to work in the real world.
So do plumbers. And mechanics.
Many skilled trades require physical judgment and hands-on experience.
Because the physical world is messy, unpredictable, and constantly changing.
And that's difficult to automate completely.
But even skilled workers can benefit from AI. The strongest combination is practical skill plus technology. So remember the 5: connection, critical thinking, creativity, AI skills, and practical expertise. You don't need to become an AI engineer.
You just need to upgrade what you already know.
First, list the tasks you do every day. Then choose 2 skills you need to improve. And give yourself the next 90 days to learn them. You don't need to change your entire life overnight. Small improvements every day can completely change your career.
the goal isn't to become impossible to replace.
The goal is to become so valuable that AI makes you better instead of replacing you.
So which of these 5 skills are you going to learn first? Comment 1 to 5 below, and if you want to know which new jobs AI will create, comment F Future.